Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing an isolated Python environment. This prevents package conflicts. Once done, pip install tabpy and the Hyper API so Tableau can call Python and write extracts. Next, start the tabpy server on a stable port and open that port in local firewall rules. In Tableau Desktop, configure external services to the tabpy host, port, and run a small test call. This gets the connection established quickly, so you can proceed to authoring functions. Now you'll write the Python logic that Tableau will invoke. Prefer functions that accept simple arrays or a pandas data frame for clarity. Deploy those functions to tabpy or keep them in line using Tableau's script real, script int, or script str calculated fields. Make sure your function returns a list or array matching the number of input rows. Tableau expects row-aligned outputs. Also, install any third-party packages in tabpy's environment and restart the server. This prevents import errors at runtime. To finish, validate the integration by running sample worksheets and comparing results to local Python runs so you know the logic matches. For heavier transforms, create a Tableau extract to reduce round trips. This improves performance. Make sure to monitor tabpy logs and Tableau's external service diagnostics for errors. If things go wrong, the most common causes are firewall blocks, tabpy not running, or Python package/version mismatches. Check logs, restart.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.